Prashant Jain is one of the most sought after fund managers in India. He is the Executive Director and Chief Investment Officer at HDFC Mutual Fund, India's largest mutual fund with assets under management of nearly $25 billion, of which $10 billion is in equities. Prashant is also the manager for 3 equity schemes with assets of $6 billion. He has the distinction of having managed a fund continuously for over 20 years with a CAGR of 20%. He has over 20 years of experience in fund management and research in mutual fund industry. Prashant Jain spent most of his childhood days in the towns of Uttar Pradesh as his father worked with the state government. He earned his management degree from the Indian Institute of Management, Bangalore, and a bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering from the Indian Institute of Technology, Kanpur. Prashant has worked with SBI Mutual Fund from 1991 to 1993, Zurich India Mutual Fund from 1993 to 2003 in different capacities. He moved to HDFC Mutual Fund subsequent to the takeover of Zurich India Mutual Fund by HDFC in 2003. Today, Prashant Jain is undoubtedly one of the biggest and best fund managers of the country. Let's all welcome Mr. Prashant Jain.